Adding context to Constant Contact is essential for managing your email marketing campaigns effectively. Here's a concise guide on how to do it. Log into your account. Visit Constant Contact's website and log into your account. Access Contacts. From the dashboard, click on the Contacts tab. This will take you to the Contacts page where you manage your email lists. Create a list. If you don't already have a list, click on Create List to set one up. Name your list and provide a description if desired. Add contacts manually. Click on Add Contacts and select Add Contacts manually. Enter contact details such as names, email addresses, and other relevant information. Click Add to save each contact. Import contacts from a file. To import a large number of contacts, click Import Contacts and choose From File. Upload a CSV or Excel file containing your contact information. Map the columns to match Constant Contacts fields and complete the import. Add contacts via integration. Connect your Constant Contact account with other platforms to automatically sync contacts. Review and organize. Review your imported contacts for accuracy. You can tag or segment them to organize your audience effectively.